ISI 2017 sample paper PEA question number 27. F is a differentiable function such that f into f dash is negative. So what can be said about fx? Is it an increasing, or mod fx is an increasing, fx is a decreasing, or mod fx is a decreasing? Let's use the whiteboard in this case. F into f dash is negative. So let's consider the cases that are possible. Okay, so the cases that are possible are as follows. So fx into f dash x is negative. So if fx is positive, f dash is negative. If, okay, let's use black. If fx is negative, f dash is positive. Correct? So it goes in these two ways. If one is positive, the other negative, one is negative, the other is positive. Okay, right. Therefore, if fx is positive, f dash is negative, so it'll curve will be something like this. If this is my x, this is my fx. So in the positive side, fx has to fall always. In the negative side, fx will have to increase always, because if fx is negative, that is below the x-axis, f dash is positive. So an example of this is always decreasing function like this is e to the power of minus x, and always increasing function like this will be minus e to the power minus x. This is only an example. Okay. So what is happening to the function fx? I'm going from extreme values and going towards 0. I'm going from extreme values and going towards 0. Correct? So either we are going from plus 100 to 0 or minus 100 to 0. In any case, the absolute value of fx is decreasing. The absolute value of fx is decreasing. Please try and understand that. Correct? So let's go back. Therefore, what will be the answer? Mod fx is a decreasing function. If you like this video, please visit us at our website edusure.in. You can contact us here, and to see more about our courses, you can see under the drop down here. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.